Example: 10 plus 5. Step 1. Set 10. Step 2. Add 5 in units rod. Step 3. Count the total beads moved. Example: 15 plus 8. Step 1. Set 15. Step 2. Add 8. As we don't have enough beads, add 10 and reduce 2. That is, 8 equals 10 minus 2. As we don't have enough beads to reduce 2, less 5 and add 3. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 16 plus 13. Step 1. Set 16. Step 2. Add 1 to tens rod. Step 3. Add 3 to units rod. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 24 plus 32. Step 1. Set 24. Step 2. Add 3 to tens rod. As we don't have enough beads, add 5 and reduce 2. Step 3. Add 2 to units rod. As we don't have enough beads, add 5 and reduce 3. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 45 plus 55. Step 1. Set 45. Step 2. Add 5 in tens. Step 3. Add 5 in units. As we do not have enough beads to move in units, we borrow 1 from tens. As we don't have enough beads in tens, we borrow 1 from hundreds rod. So, we add 100 and reduce 95. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 63 plus 23. Step 1. Set 63. Step 2. Up 2 in tens. Step 3. Add 3 in units. As we do not have enough beads, add 5 and reduce 2. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 85 plus 13. Step 1. Set 85. Step 2. Up 1 in tens rod. Step 3. Up 3 in units. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 53 plus 28. Step 1. Set 53. Step 2. Add 2 in tens. Step 3. Add 8 in units. As we do not have enough beads in units, add 10 and reduce 2. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 37 plus 34. Step 1. Set 37. Step 2. Add 3 in tens rod. As we do not have enough beads in the tens row, add 5 and reduce 2 in tens rod. Step 3. Add 4 in units rod. As we do not have enough beads in the units row, add 10 and reduce 6. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 10 minus 4. Step 1. Set 10. Step 2. Reduce 4 in units rod. As we do not have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 6. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 17 minus 11. Step 1. Set 17. Step 2. Reduce 1 in tens rod. Step 3. Reduce 1 in units rod. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 23 minus 17. Step 1. Set 23. Step 2. Reduce 1 in tens rod. Step 3. Reduce 7 in units rod. As we don't have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 3. Again, we do not have 3 beads. Add 5 and reduce 2. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 46 minus 28. Step 1. Set 46. Step 2. Reduce 2 in tens rod. Step 3. Reduce 8 in units rod. As we don't have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 2. Step 4. Count the beads. Example: 78 minus 13. Step 1. Set 78. Step 2. reduce 1 in tens rod. Step 3, reduce 3 in units rod. Step 4, count the beads. Example, 55 minus 23. Step 1, set 55. Step 2, down 20. Step 3, down 3. Step 4, count the beads. Example, 96 minus 19. Step 1, set 96. Step 2, reduce 1 in tens rod. Step 3, reduce 9 in units rod. As we don't have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 1. Step 4, count the beads. Example, 67 minus 58. Step 1, set 67. Step 2, reduce 5 in tens rod. Step 3, reduce 8 in units rod. As we don't have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 2. Step 4, count the beads. Example, 24 minus 16. Step 1, set 24. Step 2, reduce 1 in tens rod. Step 3, reduce 6 in units rod. As we don't have enough beads, reduce 10 and add 4. Step 4, count the beads.